Nama sikit lah. Satu benda lagi.
I really enjoying this tournament and enjoying being the member of this Super Cup team. Yes, I just enjoy every moment with them, and then because we win together, lose together, and I think it's very interesting.
You made in your last match just now, you played against the girl from France. Your second game, you never gave her a single point. Did you think in your mind, okay lah, never mind, I know I'm going to win, I give her 1 or 2 points lah?
I think I didn't think of that, I just play. Because my mind now is just focus lah.
But were you surprised when you beat her 21-0 in the second game? You didn't even give her 1 point?
Yeah, cause I know she's a good player also, and then I did some video analysis on her, and I found that she's quite good, and didn't expect that.
People give you 0 before, and you give people opponent 0 before this last match in World Cup finals.
I think that was a junior stage.
Junior level.
Yeah, this one senior is like not impossible lah. Okay, cause everyone is good.